Yes, we are live now. Since 2 days, I suffered a lot with fever and common cold. That's why the live session I didn't take since 2 or 3 days. So today also I'm not feeling well, but we have to take at least 20 minutes of live session. Okay, and come and join our live session. Welcome to Zoology Online Guru and the Kumar Institute of Zoology. I think all of you hearing my voice properly. Directly we'll jump into the topic, that is the human excretory system. Excretion. What is the meaning of excretion? Excretion is the process in which the unwanted nitrogenous waste, okay, unwanted nitrogenous waste, unwanted nitrogenous waste products are eliminated. So elimination, okay, unwanted nitrogenous waste products are eliminated So what is the meaning of excretion? Excretion means giving outside waste. So whatever the liquid waste is formed in our body, that liquid waste is harmful to our body, okay, and that harmful nitrogenous products are removed or eliminated from our body. That is known as okay, just wait. Okay, yes, that is known as excretion. What are those nitrogenous waste? That is our question. Those nitrogenous waste, what are the nitrogenous wastes are created in the animal body? So there are different types are there. So there are different types of nitrogenous waste are present, and they are the organisms are excreting outside. So some of the organisms they excrete maybe only ammonia. They excrete ammonia. Some organisms they excrete urea, and some of the organisms they excrete uric acid, and some of the organisms they convert uric acid into allantoin, okay, and some of the organisms they may excrete guanine. So like this, these are the some of the nitrogenous waste products are created in our body. How these nitrogenous products enters into our body actually? How they enters into our body? What is the source of nitrogenous products we are taking into our body? So very simple, nitrogenous products or nitrogenous substances what we are intaking as a food material, those are called proteins. Proteins are made up of amino acids. So what is the source? This is the source. What is the source of nitrogenous products enters into our body? So through diet. We intake proteins. Then what? So we are taking proteins, okay, for our body building purpose, they are most important. So we are taking as a protein molecules. So what happened then? So proteins are made up of amino acids. And if you take the amino acid common general formula, they are with NH2, C, H, R, and COOH. So this is the common general structure of amino acid. So they have amine, okay, ammonia here. So NH2 group is present in the amino acids. So whenever there is a process called deamination, you know about, already we discussed it in the first lesson, nutrition, in the liver, the functions of the liver. What is the meaning of deamination? De means removing of ammonia. Deamination, in the process of deamination in the liver, deamination takes place, means ammonia is removed from the amino acids and the breakdown of the proteins or protein metabolism. So whatever it may be, in the protein metabolism, what happened, the amine or ammonia group is there in the amino acids, that is removed and cleaved from that one, and that ammonia is very much dangerous, and that is must be eliminated outside. To eliminate that ammonia, it may be converted into urea and uric acid and some other different forms to neutralize the harmful effects of that product, and removes outside. So like that here, removing of all these nitrogenous waste products from the animal body, that is known as excretion. What are those excretory products? So these are some of the most important excretory products eliminated by most of the organisms. One is ammonia, and ammonia, it is ammonia, NH3, ammonia. So which organisms they excrete ammonia? All aquatic organisms, they release ammonia as the excretory product. Okay, and next one, urea. In the ornithine cycle, in the liver, urea is created. So liver creates urea. So this urea is especially water availability. Water availability is important for this excretion of urea. So whatever the organisms they excrete urea, they are living in the water areas. So wherever the water is sufficient to live, so that terrestrial organisms only, but water is necessary. So we are the human beings also, we excrete urea, because we are living on that in the terrestrial region, but we have plenty of water. So whenever on the terrestrial region water is available, and those organisms they excrete urea. And on the terrestrial area where water is not available that much, water scarcity is present, okay, like a desert area, water is very less. In that area, in that conditions, the organisms they excrete uric acid. So for the excretion of uric acid, they do not need that much of water. So highest water quantity, ammonia; moderable water quantity, urea; very less water quantity in that area, they excrete uric acid. So basing on the water, we divide this type of one type of classification. One is they excrete ammonia, second is excrete urea, third one they excrete uric acid. Okay, more water, if they are living inside the water, aquatic animals, fish or cartilaginous fish, so they excrete ammonia. Okay, so here, so ammonia by the aquatic organisms, moderately water present, those organisms they excrete urea, and water scarcity organisms they excrete uric acid, and they maybe convert into allantoin. So uric acid converted into allantoin by an enzyme that is called uricase. Uricase enzyme converts this uric acid into allantoin. This is the one type of classification. And the mode of excretion, how they excrete the waste material outside. So if the organism excreting the ammonia as the excretory waste, that type of mode is known as ammonotelic organisms. So here, if they excrete ammonia, they are known as ammonotelic organisms. aminotelic organisms, and that method is known as aminotelism. So like that, if we take second one, if we take a second one, that is urea, the organisms they excrete urea, they are known as ureotelic organisms, and the method is called ureotelism. Third one, uric acid. Those organisms they excrete uric acid. Those are known as here aminotelic, here uricotelic, here okay, uricotelic, and the method is called ureotelism. So this is the about the three major excretory products, and the organisms they excrete these ammonia excreting organisms are known as all aquatic organisms. Best example is the fish. Second one, ureotelic. So urea excreting organisms, examples are human beings and certain land animals. And the desert animals, they excrete uric acid crystals with a less amount of water, and they live in the water scarcity area. So that is why they excrete uric acid. Example, lizard, garden lizard, okay, and desert animals. So all they excrete the uric acid. Okay, now our topic is excretory organs. Different organisms they excrete these excretory products by different types of excretory organs. Means not all organisms having same type of excretory organs. Different organisms in the animal kingdom, they have different types of excretory organs. Okay, now what are those different types of excretory organs? Now our topic is different types of excretory organs. Different types of excretory organs in the different organisms. So one by one we'll discuss. If you take in the lower vertebrates or invertebrates or lower animals, we take this called protonephridia. One type. And if you take cephalochordata, lancelets, they have solenocytes. Solenocytes also one type of cells, they excrete waste materials. If you take metanephridia, and fourth one Malphizian tubules. Malphizian tubules and antennary glands. Antennary glands, also called green glands. And sixth one, coxal glands. Coxal glands. And seventh one, after the coxal glands, kidneys. Okay, so these are the some of the different or some types of the excretory organs present in the different types of organisms. They excrete their nitrogenous waste products. And here coming to first one, protonephridia. Protonephridia are the primary type of nephridia. Okay, so the dietly cells are present. Dietly cells are present. One type of cells is called here solenocytes. Especially these solenocytes are present in the lancelets, cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. And this protonephridia are present in the platyhelminthes. Rotifers and larvas of annelids. Larva of annelida. Larvas of annelids. In these organisms, protonephridia are present as the excretory organs. Solenocytes are present in the lancelets. Lancelets means they are belongs to cephalochordata. Okay, and some of the metanephridia present in the annelids. They are with metanephridia. You know about very well Malphizian tubules. You know very well arthropoda, cockroach. Arthropoda, cockroach with Malphizian tubules. Antennary glands and green glands, they also arthropoda, but crustacea. Prawns. So prawns are with antennary glands, also called green glands. Coxal glands are also present in the same arthropoda. In the arthropoda, one of the class that's called arachnida. Best example our spiders. So spiders especially they are with coxal glands. And kidneys, vertebrates. Some of the mollusca and vertebrates are with kidneys. So these are the some of the excretory organs, and the organisms are with different types of excretory organs. Protonephridia, platyhelminthes, solenocytes, cephalochordata, lancelets. Metanephridia are present in the annelida. Malphizian tubules are arthropoda, cockroach. Antennary glands, also called green glands by arthropoda, crustacea, that is example is prawns. And sixth one, coxal glands, also present in some of the arthropoda. They are arachnida class, examples are spiders. And lastly, kidneys. Okay, these kidneys are some of the mollusca and vertebrates. They are with different types of, these are the kidneys. Okay, so what we are discussing, we are discussing about the different types of excretory organs. Okay, up to now, any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ask me. Is it clear to you? My voice is very low. Okay, I know it because my health is not that much of good. So I think this sound is okay. Okay. So these are the some of the excretory organs. Any doubts up to now? Now, we continue further 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Now we discuss about the human excretory system. The human excretory system is with 2 kidneys, 2 ureters and a single urinary bladder and a single urethra. 2 kidneys, 2 urinary, sorry, 2 ureters and a single urinary bladder and a single urethra. So these are the mm, uh, these are the organs present in the human excretory system. 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, a single urinary bladder and single urethra. So this is the system. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please ask me, and we wind up now, and we'll discuss further from tomorrow. We'll take a lengthiest 1 hour class. Okay, because I'm not feeling well today. Definitely tomorrow we'll come with a new full length class 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. definitely. Okay, and subscribe my channel, like my channel. If you have any doubts, ask me, comment. Okay, and also share this my YouTube channel, the Zoology Online Guru, and also our own app is there, that is Kumar Institute of Zoology. Okay, so if you have any doubts, chat with me or comment me. We are closing this session here only. Okay, tomorrow onwards we'll take 1 hour lengthiest a topic. Okay, thank you. Good night. Take care.